1. Suffering is inevitable, but you are the one who can end it. There's a lot of pain in life and there's no way to avoid it. However, suffering is something you choose. The overthinking, the blaming, getting angry, seeking revenge, reliving the experience in your mind, complaining about it, grieving about the wound, and more are the one's own choice. You can understand the difference between pain and suffering. And while it's true that life goes together with death, illness and pain, there's no need to bring mental suffering too by not letting go of the experience. Life is amazing and much easier to handle once you understand this simple truth. 2. Free yourself from attachment to fully experience life. People get attached to their partner, belongings, career, hopes and dreams, the past, or else. That behavior is harmful as it brings more suffering to the life. The moment you get too attached, you become more vulnerable and thus allow yourself to be hurt. That's because you seek happiness in external sources, when actually it's already here, everywhere around you. Attachment is wrong because everything in life is impermanent. That means you don't own anything. Even your own time here is limited, so you shouldn't spend it by living with the burden of attachment. Detach yourself from everything you cling to in order to be able to see how it made you more miserable. 3. Letting go brings peace and freedom. Let go of the past and future because they don't matter. All you have is this moment, and by not being mindful of it, you're missing out on life. 4. Nothing is permanent. Everything is transient, so even if you get attached, it's sure that you will experience loss. There's nothing you could do about the impermanent things in life, and feeling bad about this or getting depressed is a waste of time. When you allow your subconscious mind to believe this too, you enter another mental state where you can take action without fearing failure. If you can't really have anything forever, then you might as well make the most of the things you have now. 5. Live simply. Truth is, people do many unnecessary things every day, keep themselves busy, have too much misinformation in their head, want to keep up with everything going on, wish for more friends, more money, new belongings, etc. However, turns out these desires also lead to suffering. There's always something more, so satisfaction never comes by chasing it. What if you look at what you already have and realize it's more than enough? Don't think that can stop you from being successful or reaching your goals. The secret is in finding balance between taking action and being grateful and peaceful. Such a comforting thought is important to staying sane in the process of getting ahead, but also to make sure you don't miss out on the beauty of the present moment. 6. You are building your own prisons. By feeling guilty, you are punishing yourselves. You can feel bad about something you did or didn't do. Perfection is an illusion. So accept the fact that you have done wrong things, and you'll probably do some more in the future even if you try your best. That's okay. Let it go, be free from the negativity, embarrassment and guilt. 7. Everything is already perfect. If something isn't perfect, that means you have created a picture in your mind of how it's supposed to be. You can stop trying to control everything and accept things more. Then, you can look around and see, you already have all that you need. Acceptance brings contentment, it makes you grateful and joyful. And by some magic force, the more you focus on what you already have and appreciate it, the more you get from it. Understand that you're doing great. What you don't like and want more of is actually okay. If you stop expecting and start accepting, you'll feel like the richest person in the world. 8. Be kind and forgive. The best way to make the world a better place is to be kind to others. Sometimes a smile, compliment or just being there for them can make someone's day. Also, by sending such vibes to people you get the same in return, and every day becomes a positive experience. Like anything else, that works best if you manage to forgive and be kind to yourself first, and the others through your self-connection. 9. Unconditional love does exist. Most people have a wrong perception of love. It's not love when you have jealousy, don't share things with your partner, try to change them, blame them for what they did in the past, or expect from them more than they can give you. But it is true love when you find a way to appreciate everything about that person, especially their flaws. It is love when you expect absolutely nothing in return and truly want them to be happy, even if that doesn't mean they will choose to spend their life with you. That involves leaving behind your own desires and wishing these people the best. You can love them from a distance, or even if you move on and find someone else to spend your lives with. Such love is a form of energy and it doesn't need to go away. It can transform into other good things. People also wrongly assume that love hurts. But no, it's getting attached and having high expectations that can't be met that hurts. Love itself is what life is all about. We hope that a simple reminder of even one of these principles can make you peaceful, mindful and contented. Thank you for being with us. And, thank you for watching. We are inseparable parts of the separated whole. We're one, we are the future with you. Please subscribe us and don't forget to support us through your precious like, share and leave a comment below. Until next time, take care of you. Namaste.